In this video, we listed the 5 best 4K projectors that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Optoma UHD 55 Projector. The Optoma UHD 55 is the latest model in home cinema projection, boasting an impressive 3600 lumens brightness and true 4K UHD resolution with 8.3 million pixels for an unparalleled viewing experience. Priced starting from $1,263.81, this projector is optimized for gaming, featuring an enhanced gaming mode that achieves input lag as low as 4 milliseconds at 1080p and 15 milliseconds at 4K, making it perfect for serious gamers. With 97% DCI, P3 color gamut coverage, the UHD 55 delivers stunning color accuracy and vibrant images, supported by HDR10 and HLG compatibility for vivid content display. The projector also includes various HDR adjustment options, enabling users to customize their picture settings easily. Smart features such as voice control compatibility with Amazon Alexa and Google Home, along with a built-in media player for direct movie playback, enhance its functionality, making it a versatile choice for home entertainment enthusiasts. Number 2. ViewSonic PX701 Projector. The ViewSonic 4K UHD projector is a versatile and high-performance device designed for home cinema and gaming enthusiasts. Boasting a stunning 3840 by 2160 resolution, 3200 ANSI lumens brightness, and HDR, HGL support, it delivers vibrant, cinematic colors and bright images in any environment. Its advanced features include a low 4.2 milliseconds input lag and a 240 Hz refresh rate for responsive gameplay on a supersized screen. The projector is easy to set up with a 1.1x optical zoom, anti-warping stabilization, and HV keystone correction, making it suitable for both flat and curved surfaces. With Super Eco mode, the lamp offers an impressive lifespan of up to 20,000 hours. Flexible connectivity options, including dual HDMI and powered USB-A, ensure compatibility with various devices such as gaming consoles, PCs, Macs, and media players, making it an excellent choice for immersive entertainment experiences. Number 3. BenQ TK800M Projector. The BenQ projector is designed primarily for gaming, featuring a 4K projection technology that delivers an impressive resolution of 4096 by 2160, ensuring stunning clarity and detail. With DLP technology, this projector promises superior image quality by minimizing pixelation and jagged edges. Its exceptional brightness of 3000 lumens and high native contrast ratio contribute to vivid colors and deep black levels, making it an excellent choice for sports events and gaming sessions alike. The projector includes multiple connectivity options, such as 2 HDMI inputs, VGA, audio, and USB ports, enhancing versatility for various devices, including consoles like the PS4, Xbox, and Nintendo Switch. A portable solution with an all-glass, 4K, optimized lens and included accessories like a remote and user manual, this projector ensures an impeccable gaming experience with minimal input lag. Number 4. LG HU85LA Projector. The LG Cinebeam projector is an advanced home cinema solution that features a stunning 4K UHD display resolution of 3840 by 2160 and an impressive brightness of up to 2700 ANSI lumens, utilizing Class 1 laser technology. Designed for optimal viewing, it can project a vibrant 120-inch screen from a mere 7.2 inches away, making it ideal for various ambient light conditions. This projector supports HDR10 and is equipped with LG's WebOS Lite, allowing seamless access to popular streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime, and Vudu via the included Magic Remote. Additionally, it features built-in Alexa, provides a noise reduction feature, 26 dB to 30 dB, incorporates LG ThinQ AI for enhanced user experience, and offers Bluetooth connectivity for versatile integration with other devices. Perfectly blending functionality and performance, the LG Cinebeam projector is engineered for an immersive home entertainment experience. Number 5. WEMAX Nova Projector. The WEMAX Nova is a cutting-edge 4K Ultra HD ultra-short throw laser projector designed for home cinema enthusiasts seeking an immersive viewing experience. With its advanced ALPD 3.0 and TI-DLP technology, the Nova delivers stunning visuals with a resolution of 3840 by 2160, offering for adjustable screen sizes ranging from 80 to 150 inches. It features 1300 ANSI lumens brightness, ensuring vibrant colors and clarity while minimizing eye strain. The projector is equipped with powerful 30W Dolby Audio DTS HD speakers for exceptional sound quality, and it supports various connectivity options, including Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, USB, and HDMI, allowing for seamless integration with multiple devices. Running on Android TV, the Nova provides access to thousands of apps, enabling users to stream content from popular platforms like Hulu and Disney+. Additionally, its smart features include Google Assistant, Chromecast built-in, an 8-point keystone correction for a tailored home theater experience.